translation or translation, translation, translation or translation, interpretation, interpretation, translator or translator, translator, translator or translator, interpreter, 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 source language, source language, source language, target language, target language, target language, bilingual, 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 multilingual, 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 literal translation, literal translation, localization, 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 transcreation, 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 subtitling, 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 dubbing, dubbing, consecutive interpretation, consecutive interpretation, consecutive interpretation, simultaneous interpretation, simultaneous interpretation, simultaneous interpretation, certified translation, certified translation, certified translation, machine translation, machine translation, machine translation, glossary, 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 proofreading, 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 language pair, language pair, cultural sensitivity, cultural sensitivity, cultural sensitivity, idiomatic expression, idiomatic expression, idiomatic expression, machine learning, machine learning, linguistics, 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 register, 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 transcription, 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 context, 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 interpretation equipment, interpretation equipment, interpretation equipment, localization testing, localization testing, localization testing, legal translation, legal translation, legal translation, medical translation, medical translation, medical translation, technical translation, technical translation, technical translation, sworn translator, sworn translator, sworn translator, language services, language services, language services, language service provider, language service provider, language service provider, document translation, document translation, document translation, conduit language, conduit language, conduit language, conduit language, conduit language, back translation, back translation, localization manager, localization manager, localization manager, glossary management, glossary management, glossary management, machine learning model, machine learning model, machine learning model, post editing, post editing, post editing, conference interpretation, conference interpretation, conference interpretation, audiovisual translation, audiovisual translation, audiovisual translation, quality assurance, quality assurance, quality assurance. Text analysis, text analysis, text analysis. Machine translation evaluation, machine translation evaluation.